It's the Texas weather discussion video for Wednesday, the first day of November. I'm Donovan Neal. North Texas weather remains fairly cool and quiet for much of the day today, but then tomorrow we start talking about record temperatures for Thursday. Let's take a look at, here we go. Let's take a look at the water vapor satellite view across the continental United States. The main westerlies are up to the north. We're still in flat ridging here, and as a result, we remain dry. Temperatures this morning very similar to Monday. Most of the metropolitan areas are in the 50s, with some of the naturally cooler spots are in the 40s. DFW remains in the low 50s in the surrounding areas. Watch warning map. Things are generally quiet across the nation starting out your day. We have a marginal risk for parts of extreme southeastern Texas and parts of central Louisiana. Other than that, no organized severe weather is expected for the next couple of days, but on day 5, do note that we do have severe weather risk defined for much of Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, and some parts of Wisconsin. Do understand that our late severe weather season basically begins today and runs all the way through December. Runs all the way through December. This is the average rainfall for the next 7 days. This is valid through Wednesday of next week, and this is suggesting not much rain for much of north central Texas. We generally remain dry throughout the majority of this week. Out in the tropics, all we have left is this one lone disturbance that's not expected to develop due to dry air and shear. That's expected to just remain westward and just ultimately dissipate. Other than that, the rest of the Atlantic Basin is quiet. Alright, so here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 06D run, valid today at 1 o'clock. At 500 millibars, about 18 to 20,000 feet off the ground. Main westerlies are still up north and down here. That rain band basically moves out of our area and now is out now in Louisiana, where they have that severe weather risk defined. But today we should remain nice and comfortable. A beautiful day out there with highs in the upper 70s. Just comfortable weather today. But on Thursday, we start talking about record temperatures for DFW. Although we do remain dry, highs may be in the low 90s, which will mark the first time that DFW has seen low 90s in November, if that were to verify. Take a look at temperature anomalies, and that would be about 20 degrees, about 21 degrees below average, 21 degrees above average in some spots. Wow. Record heat is basically pretty much in store for us on Thursday, so get ready for that. Lows are expected to be in the low 60s for most spots. On Friday we trend a little bit cooler. Highs are still in the low 80s, but we trend a little bit cooler. Lows in the low 60s. Saturday, pretty much the same thing. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. Highs are still in the low 80s. Highs are still in the low 80s. Lows in the low 60s. Just a beautiful weekend. Monday, pretty much the same thing. Highs are still in the low 80s. Same thing on Tuesday. But on Tuesday, a cold front comes through. Throughout the day, throughout the day on Tuesday, and with that, we introduce a chance of scattered showers and storms, and also lower temperatures. Highs in the upper 60s this time, and lows in the mid 50s. Just another comfortable, beautiful day. Here's a week from today, Wednesday, the 8th of November. We are still in the ridge, and down below that, we still remain fairly quiet with highs in the mid 60s. Here's 10 days out, the end of the forecast period. This is Friday, the 10th of November. We're still have flat ridging, and down here things look pretty quiet. Numbers for the next 10 days. We do note record temperatures for Thursday. For basically tomorrow, highs may get into the low 90s, but after that we trend down into the mid to low 50s until Tuesday, and then a cold front comes through by Monday or Tuesday afternoon/evening, where temperatures only drop to the 70s, which would basically be in the comfortable zone for this time of the year. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I'll have more notes in a blog. The next video here by 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you can't catch your local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and Godspeed.